Hey guys, so today I've got this month's Witch Casket box to show you. If you haven't seen me open this before, it's a UK box, but they do ship worldwide and it's £29 a month. It is different prices to different places. I'll put the ones that I do know in the description. And this is the November box as far as I'm aware. It's a little late this month. I know I posted last month's really late, but this one literally only just arrived. So this one wasn't my fault. I think it's just a slow postage Christmas kind of time now, unfortunately. And this one sounds kind of funny, so not sure what that is, but we're going to open it and see. So like I said, this is the November box, and this one is called Daily Magic. So this is a little booklet you get on the top. It tells you all about the things in the box, but we're not going to go through that because I'm going to show you. And the theme seems to be black and white, I guess. So very neutral theme this month. So the first thing right on the top, as always, is our little art print, and this month it's kind of just like lots of little random items. We've got a moth, a cauldron, a cat, a broom, potion bottle, crystals, lots of different things, just a little mini print. And they've started doing this thing on the back where if you don't use them as a print, you can use it as a monthly manifestations card. So it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? So that is that. Then next we have this, which I love. This is a cute little weekly planner. I actually always use these in work, so this is really helpful. I also love when they do the December calendar for the year as well. I think they're so cute, so hopefully we might be getting one of those next month. So this just says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in little columns, and then it says notes and weekly manifestation goals. So you can just fill that out like a little planner, and there is loads and loads of them. I don't know how many weeks are in a year, but I'm assuming that is enough for a year, honestly, or at least for a very long time. So that is that. Oh, next we've got a very odd item. This is a little engraved like wooden plaque, and it says card of the day at the top. It's giving me like circus theme vibes, honestly. I think it's just all the stripes and stuff. It's got like a little eye, a broom, potion bottle, sun, moon. Very cute. I kind of feel like it should be stood up with a little thing on it, honestly, but I guess you could place that on your altar and then put your card of the day on there. So very unusual item, but we have that. Then next we have our little spell kit for the month. So you always get a spell kit. This one is a daily gratitude ritual kit. It says it contains everything you need to show gratitude and manifest good fortune. So in here we have our little instructions, a parchment sheet, a little white spell candle, and then this very fancy cute little witch casket pen. I will hold this up so you can pause and read it if you want to. And then this is what our little pen looks like. Very cute. And this is what the parchment sheet looks like. So it says daily gratitude, and then it's got the days of the week, and then your little quote at the bottom. So that was everything in our daily gratitude ritual kit. Then next we have a little metal tin. It says magic lies within on one side, and it says witch casket on the other side. I don't know how to open this. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. So in here we have another little metal tin, a little spoon, what looks like some empty tea bags, and then something at the bottom. So this is a daily witches brew kit. It says a useful kit to ensure you have magical brews wherever you go. So these are just some little empty tea bags that you can like fill yourself. I actually have loads of these that I put coffee grinds in, so if anyone is a coffee person, you can also do that with coffee. You have this very cute little mini teaspoon with a moon at the top. Super cute. And then you have this little silver tin with a pentacle on the top. I don't think there's anything... Oh, there is stuff in here and I nearly just spilled it everywhere. Okay, I didn't think there was anything in it, but it does have like a little rose tea blend, it looks like, in there. Once that's gone, obviously you can refill it. I thought that it was empty to put your own stuff in. But yeah, super cute little on-the-go tea kit. If you're going like staying at a hotel or something, you could take that with you, or in your car even. Then next we have our enamel pin for the month, and this one is just a little simple witch's hat. I'll turn this down so you can see it properly. So that is what our pin looks like. And we've still got so many things left in here. So the next thing we have is our little crystal or gemstone for the month. And this one is a black tourmaline. A very unusual shaped one, I've got to say. So this is a tumbled stone, but it's like very blocky, I would say. Mainly just all black. There is little bits of grey in there as well. So for this one it says, black tourmaline is a perfect stone for grounding and cleansing your aura. This magical stone helps to rid you of negative thoughts and allows you to think more clearly and protects the carrier from negative energy. So that is our little stone. Then next we've got one of my favourite things that you can get from Witch Casket, and that is one of their decks of cards. And this one is a daily awareness deck. It says, a magical deck to raise awareness and encourage self-love, gratitude and intuition. Pull a card a day to encourage you to better appreciate yourself and the world around you. So let's have a see what these look like. Okay, so these are a very simple black and white design. Just says a Witch Casket with like little moons and stuff. And loads of different ones. Obviously I can't read them out, they're all really long, but I will maybe pick one. Let's see. Okay, be aware of your own feelings. As you proceed throughout your day, think about how you feel. It's important to be mindful as you proceed through your daily life to ensure you are working in alignment with your own values and beliefs and are following a path that's right and authentic for you. It's very easy to prioritize the needs of others, but be sure to check in on yourself too. So it's loads of little cards like that. Look to the sky, notice the written word, strangers can carry messages, be aware of your body, tune into your touch, notice nature gifts, etc, etc. So that is our very cute little daily awareness deck. And then next we have this box, and it says it's an altar atomizer. Use this enchanting altar tool for your aura sprays, moon water, cleansing sprays and other magical mists. Sounds unusual. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. So this is like a little vintage old-fashioned looking perfume bottle. I absolutely love this. This is so cute. I hope you can put perfume in this because I genuinely will use it. It's got a glass little bottom bit. It looks like that apple perfume. I can't remember what it's called, but, or is it poison? I don't know. There's a perfume that's like this shape anyway, but this one is black with little stars on it. And then it's got this fabric-y kind of bit in the middle, a little pump on the end with a tassel, and it sprays. That's so cute. This is what the inside looks like, so I guess you can put anything in there. I am definitely filling that with like a body mist or something. I love it. So cute. I think that's one of my favorite things that Witch Casket has ever sent. It's just so pretty. And then we have some incense sticks and a scroll. So the incense are cleansing incense. It says they are lemongrass and grapefruit, which sounds quite nice. Yeah, definitely one of the nicer, fruitier ones. I am not an incense person, but they are pretty nice, I would say. And then we have our scroll, so I will open this and hold it up for anyone that wants to pause and read it. So this is simple daily magic. Set your intentions, stir up some magic, be mindful, enchant your clothing / jewellery, carry a key, shower away your stress and pull a card. So yeah, that was everything in the November Witch Casket. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the little mini art print, the card a day wooden plaque, the little weekly planner booklet, the daily gratitude ritual little mini spell kit, the daily awareness deck, the little witch's hat enamel pin, the black tourmaline, the lemongrass and grapefruit incense sticks, the Magic Lies Within metal tin with the tea things in there, the altar atomizer little perfume bottle looking thing, and our scroll. So all of these items in the November Daily Magic Witch Casket box. Loved this one, I've got to say. This is so cute. The little atomizer, definitely my favorite. The little tea kit is really cute as well. If that's something that you're into, you could definitely fill that with coffee if you wanted to. The cards, I love Witch Caskets cards. Just a really like full cute box, I would say. Really liked this one. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all of the information for Witch Casket in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.